Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to share with you the recipe of making Kaleji Aloo gravy, which is going to be very tasty, spicy and soft. So before watching the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Here I am going to make 250 grams of Kaleji. So accordingly, we will take 1 cup of oil in a pressure cooker. Once the oil get heated well, we will add 4 medium-sized chopped onions in it. Along with onion, we will add 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 5 to 7 black peppers, 3 cloves, 2 small cardamoms, 2 small pieces of cinnamon and anise flower. Let the onion cook until it turns light golden brown. So you can see that our onion is ready here. Now we will add 250 grams of Kaleji in it. We will cook it while stirring until all the water gets burnt. I put 1 spoon of salt in the Kaleji and kept it for 15 to 20 minutes and then washed it thoroughly so that it becomes clean. So here all the water has burnt from it. Now we will add 1 big spoon of ginger garlic paste in it, 2 medium spoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, and add 1 cup of water and fry these spices well for 5 to 10 minutes. You can see that the spices have left the oil, which means the spices are cooked. We also checked it occasionally and added some water if needed and allowed the spices to cook properly. Now we will pour a big glass of water in it. Add 2 large chopped potatoes and add juice of half lemon. Close the pressure cooker and let it cook for 3 to 4 whistles. So here, a very tasty and soft Kaleji potato gravy is ready. Although there are many recipes for Kaleji and this is also one of the way to make Kaleji. You must try this recipe and tell us by commenting if you like this Kaleji potato gravy.